Good morning, my dear students. This is Aisha, your EVS teacher. So, before the summer break, we have done our three EVS chapter. Now, today we will start our study and start with the chapter number 4 of EVS. Chapter number 4, that is our International Days. It is very easy chapter, students. International Days. Here we will discuss about International Days. Before going through these days, let us know about what are International Days. Those days which are celebrated all over the world. So the International Days are celebrated all over the world. All over the world. But student, we are celebrating national days also. National days are celebrated only within the nations because their history is associated with our country only. That's why national days are celebrated within our country only. Can you name some national days? I know you must know about them. National days like Gandhi Jayanti, 2nd October, Independence Day, 15 August, Republic Day. These are all our national days. Likewise, international days are also there, which are celebrated all over the world. There are number of international day, but in this chapter we will discuss about 5 of them. Like first one is World Literacy Day, that is celebrated on 8 September. Second, we will discuss about International Women's Day, that is on 8 March. Third one, we will discuss about World Health Day, that is celebrated on 7th April. Then World Environmental Day. Environment Day, that is on 5 June. Earth Day, that is on 22 April. In this chapter, we will discuss only these 5 days. Why we are celebrating these days, what is the motive behind these to celebrate these days. So one by one we will discuss about these days. First day is World Literacy Day. World Literacy Day. World Literacy Day is celebrated on 8 September. This day is celebrated to spread literacy among both children and adults from all financial background. Means student, literacy का क्या मतलब होता है? एजुकेटेड, पढ़े लिखे. हम क्या चाहते हैं हमारे वर्ल्ड कैसे लोग रहें? एजुकेटेड रहें, कैसे भी हों, कैसे भी फाइनेंशियल बैकग्राउंड से हो, भले वो पुअर हो, भले बिलो पॉवर्टी लाइन हो या अबव पॉवर्टी लाइन हो, दे मस्ट बी एजुकेटेड. तो वर्ल्ड वाइड इसकी अवेयरनेस कराई गई. तो वर्ल्ड वाइड इस डे को हम सेलिब्रेट करते हैं एज 8 सितंबर, ताकि क्या होए, हमारी जो लिटरेसी रेट है वर्ल्ड वाइड वो इंक्रीज़ हो सके, हम लिटरेसी के बारे में लोगों को जागरूक कर सके. So take out your book, students. Here we will discuss about the Literacy Day more. Read out this paragraph. Literacy Day is an important as food, cloth and shelter. We all know, students, education is very much important. Like we are eating food, wearing our clothes, living in a beautiful house. Likewise, we must be beautiful with the education also. First declared 8 September as an international day by UNESCO. What is UNESCO, students? we must know the full form of UNESCO. UNESCO's full form is United Nation Education, Scientific and Cultural Organization. United Nations Educational, Scientific and Cultural Organization. It is first celebrated in 1966 by the UNESCO. The day is observed with the aim to spread literacy among children and illiterate adult across the world. हम क्या चाहते हैं, हमारी क्या मोटिव रहती है इस डे को सेलिब्रेट करने की, कि जो हमारी इलिटरेसी है, जो अनएजुकेशन है, वो हम क्या करें, हमारे वर्ल्ड वाइड रिमूव कर सकें, और जो लिटरेसी रेट है, जो पढ़े लिखे की जो रेट है, उसको हम बढ़ा सकें. सो यू मस्ट know the date when we are celebrating this World Literacy Day, that is 8 September. Clear, student? And main motive of celebrating World Literacy Day is to spread the literacy among both children and adult from all financial background, irrespective of poor and financially strong people. Okay, student? Then the second day is International Women's Day. International Women's Day. International Women's Day. This day is celebrated on 8 March. The why we are celebrating this day, students? To mark the struggle for equal right for women, an official holiday in few countries. It is to mark the struggle of women. In the ancient times, students, in the previous our ancestor, there is very difference between women and the man. That time women are not at the top priority in our status, so they are deprived class, they are treated as a deprived class. But today the women are also the shoulder to shoulder competition to the man, so we want that women also treated as equal as men. So we are celebrating this day, International Women's Day, on 8th March. And it is also declared as a holiday also, बेटा, ऑफिशियल हॉलीडे. जैसे हमारा संडे एक हॉलीडे है, हमारे नेशनल डेज हॉलीडेज़ में इंक्लूड होते हैं. लाइक वाइज इंटरनेशनल वुमेन डेज़ को भी हमने किस में लिस्टेड किया गया है, ऑफिशियल हॉलीडेज़ बाय द गवर्नमेंट. So take out the book and read the International Women's Day paragraph, student. International Women's Day is celebrated on 8th March, the universal day for all women around the world. This day marks a celebration of achievement of struggle against gender inequality. जो gender inequality थी पहले, क्या थी, औरतें अलग है, आदमी अलग है ना. जेंडर इनइक्वलिटी पहले हुआ करती थी, बट आज के टाइम में कम होती है. क्यों? क्योंकि अब वुमेन्स को भी वही दर्जा दिया जाता है जैसे मैन को दिया जाता है. द फर्स्ट इंटरनेशनल वुमेन डे वॉज ऑब्जर्व्ड ऑन 28 फरवरी. जब पहली बार जब हमारा इंटरनेशनल वुमेन डे सेलिब्रेट हुआ था, तब इसकी डेट 8 मार्च नहीं थी. तब क्या डेट थी बेटा? 28 फरवरी. और पहली बार कब हुआ था? 1909 में, in the United States of America. Since then, this day is celebrated with many events to assert women's rights in the society. उसके बाद सोसाइटी के अंदर वुमेन्स राइट्स के लिए स्ट्रगल होने लग गया. Now the day is an official holiday in many countries as China, Italy, Brazil, in India also, and many more. So you have to memorize the date, student. International Women's Day is celebrated on 8th March, and its main motive is to remove the inequality in gender. यानी कि हम फ़र्क नहीं कर सके कि ये मैन है या वुमेन है. जेंडर इनइक्वलिटी को हटा देना सोसाइटी से, एंड वुमेन्स को भी वही स्टेटस दिलाना जो मैन का स्टेटस है सोसाइटी के अंदर. अंडरस्टैंड स्टूडेंट्स? Now the third one is World Health Day. World Health Day. This day is celebrated on 7th April. The main motive of this day celebration is to make people aware about the importance of balanced diet, regular exercise, vaccination. We all know health, though, so motive will be to make the awareness about health. Health is very much important, student. If we are healthy, we can do each and every work. We should be mentally and physically healthy always. So to make aware about the healthy diet, to make regular exercise, to take regular vaccines among the children, awareness should be there. We should be must healthy. Everybody get the balanced diet, proper diet. Nobody will suffer from the malnutrition. कोई ऐसा नहीं हो जिनको खाना नहीं मिल पा रहा है और वो हेल्थ की प्रॉब्लम से रहे. तो वर्ल्ड वाइड इसकी भी अवेयरनेस करेगी कि एवरीबडी मस्ट बी हेल्दी मेंटली एज वेल एज physically. So this day is celebrated on 7th April, and main motive is to improve our health only. And 7th April is marked as the World Health Day by UN. The World Health Day celebrate was first on 7th April 1948. First time कब ये celebrate हुआ था बेटा? 7th April 1948. और इसको celebrate किसने किया? UN ने. And it is also a foundation day for WHO. What is WHO, students? World Health Organization. World Health Organization. So it is 7th April is also the foundation day of World Health Organization, that is our WHO. This day is celebrated to create an awareness about good health, a balanced diet, hygiene and vaccination. Understand, students? World Health Day, you must memorize the date always. 7th April is the World Health Day. And now fourth one is World Environment Day. World Environment Day. It is celebrated on 5th June. Today is 1st July, but we have celebrated in the last month, 5th June, the World Environmental Day. The name only describe the motive why we are celebrating this day. This day is celebrated to protect our environment. Now in the era of this coronavirus, we are all aware about this virus. These days we all are hiding in our home to protect our environment. Our environment is becoming cleaner. Our rivers are become more cleaner by our nature only. The man is not doing that. That's why the virus teaches how to clean our environment. So nowadays the environment is more cleaner than the previous one. We are polluting our environment, but this virus teaches how to keep our environment clean. So take this virus in the positive sense. After the lockdown, we must aware about the environment. Our environment now become more cleaner. Rivers are becoming more. The fresh air is more there in our environment, students. So World Environmental Day is celebrated on 5th June. On 5th June, as we polluted our environment by various ways, by creating pollution. So the United Nations designed a 5th June as World Environmental Day in the 1972. सबसे पहले कब बनाया गया था ये? 1972 के अंदर. Tries to solve the world problem in a peaceful way. This day is celebrated all over the world to save our environment from the harmful effect of pollution. Environment friendly activities such as street rallies, bicycle parades, tree planting, clean up campaigns are done to celebrate this day. Every year United Nations Environmental Program, UNEP, the full form is United Nations Environmental Program, chooses a theme on this day to work for the environment. Every year, students, there is a meeting every year among the 193 countries, and one theme is selected for that environmental day. The 2023 theme is biodiversity. Biodiversity means to diversify the species of plants and trees, to make awareness, to protect them. So if you we must know about the theme of 2020 Environmental Day, that is a biodiversity. Every year there is a new theme, like in 2018 the theme of Environmental Day is beat the plastic. After that only the plastic is banned in the India. And our 2020 theme is biodiversity for the World Environmental Day. The next and the last one is Earth Day. Earth Day is celebrated on 22 April. Earth Day, our beautiful planet Earth should be protected. We must be aware about our planet to protect it. The Environmental Day and the Earth Day both are related with one another. We are celebrating World Environment to protect our Earth only, our beautiful Earth only. So this day is celebrated on 22 April. All over the world. It is a special day to learn about our planet Earth and to think of the ways in which we can take care of it. The first Earth Day was celebrated on 22 April in 1971. बेटा जो first Earth Day था, that is celebrated in 1970 first time, and its main motive is to public consciousness about the state of our planet. हमें पब्लिकली कॉन्शियसनेस होनी चाहिए कि हमें हमारी अर्थ को हमारे लेवल पे बचाना है. इन्वायरमेंटल डे में भी हम इन्वायरमेंट में भी क्या कर रहे थे, हम इन्वायरमेंट को हमारे प्रोटेक्ट कर रहे थे. लाइकवाइज इन्वायरमेंट को हम प्रोटेक्ट करें तो हमारी अर्थ अपने आप से ही प्रोटेक्ट हो ही रही है. सो इट इज़ सेलिब्रेटेड नाउ इन 193 countries. So students, there are 5 international days in this chapter we will discuss. There are many more international days which we must know. There are number of international days like Child Labor Day, also, Tobacco Day, Universe Children Day. There are many more. I will provide you the list and you have to memorize their dates also. Okay students, learn and keep healthy yourself. Thank you.